Hello and welcome to this new lesson in which I will teach you how to write a SEO optimized article to rank first in search engines. In this lesson, I will use WordPress platform with USAT or Yoast SEO plugin. This plugin is very famous among bloggers. It helps with your SEO by giving you coloring. As you can see, this is an orange color. And as you can see here, it's saying that SEO is okay. If it's red, then it will say SEO is bad. If it's green, then you are good to go and SEO is good. So, how to edit this article? First, find the keyword that you want to concentrate on this article by going here. This is the title, Big Microcontroller, test your skills and get certified. I want to focus on Big Microcontroller test. So, you will copy this keyword and go down here. Here we have two tabs, readability analysis and focus key phrase. The focus key phrase is the most important one, as you will put your focus keyword, which is Big Microcontroller test here, and it will analyze your article based on this keyword. So if someone searched for Big Microcontroller test, this will make it more likely for your article to appear first in search engine. Now, as you can see, we have the analysis results. There is 4 problems, 4 improvements, 6 good results. So let's start with the problems. The first problem is internal links. There is no internal links appearing this page, so you must add some. And to know what are important links, internal links, and how to add them, you can simply click here at the end of this line, and SEO or Yoast by SEO will teach you how and why internal links are important and how to add them. So you must follow the steps in this article to improve your article and add internal links. So let's say that I want to add internal link. Okay, let me see. We can simply add internal link using this button. That's it. Now if we went down here, as you can see, the internal link problem is disappeared because I added one internal link, and now it's green, so SEO is good. But we need to improve even more. We need to remove these 3 red points. You must add meta description. Click here to know what it is and how to write it. You must add an image with an alt attribute. Click here if you want to learn how to do it. You need to increase the text length. It's only 239 words, so you need to go up to 300 words to make it more SEO optimized. And if you want to make it even more better, you can go to the improvements and fix your outbound links, key phrase and title, slug too long, slug stop words. These are things that you can improve if you want to learn what are outbound links, and if you want to know how to add them, click here. As you can see, each line has its own explanation, so you don't have to look it up yourself. They have an explanation how to fix it. Just go with these explanations and you will fix all the problems and the improvements, and your article will be SEO optimized. Now the question is that it? Is this the only thing that you can do to optimize your article? Sure, no. You can go to the readability analysis and make it green too, because if people came to your article and they faced or hard time reading it, they will leave the page, and your bounce rate will be too low that Google will no longer offer your page at the top of the search engine results. So you have to work also on the readability analysis. Here it's saying that the copy score is 49 in the test, which is considered difficult to read. So it's recommending to make shorter sentences. You can click here to know how to make shorter sentences. It's also saying that 46% of the sentences contain more than 20 words. And this is a huge number. which is more than the recommended maximum of 25%. So you have to go from 46% to 25% by minimizing the number of words in each paragraph or in each sentence. This is how you can shorten the sentences, and as you can see, it's all explained here how to fix it. Here is a score and the notes, how to write shorter sentences. So everything is explained in details. At the end, if you got both of these problems and improvements fixed, then your article will be SEO optimized, and you are good to go, and you can you can start publishing it and sharing it to your social media accounts, and people will love it, search engines will love it, and it will rank high in no time. If you have any question, please ask in the Q&A board. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and enable the bell icon to receive our latest updates. This is Ashraf. Thanks for watching. This is Educational Engineering Team.